Hi students, myself Nandhini, Department of Computer Science SF, the Standard Fireworks Rajaratnam College for Women Sivagasi. In this session, we will discuss about what is Listbox control and their properties, methods and events. Let's start the session. First we see what is Listbox control. It is a regular list box that enables the user to make a single selection from a list of values. The possible values are read from the list box table. There are two types of list box, single selection, multiple selection. In a single selection list box, the user can select only one item at a time. In multi-selection list box, the user can select more than one item at a time. Let's create a list box by tracking a list box control from the toolbox and dropping it on the form. It allows to add items at design time by using the properties window or at the runtime. In properties window, the three dotted button next to the item properties opens the string collection editor dialog box. Here we can add the needed values. Then we'll see the properties. Listbox control have lot of properties. The first one is selection, allow selection, gets a value indicating whether the listbox currently enables selection of list items. The second one is border style. It is used to gets or sets the type of border drawn around the list box. Third one is column width. Gets or sets the width of the column in a multi-column list box. And scroll away visible. Gets or set the value indicating whether the vertical scroll bar is show at all items. Then items. Gets the item of the list box. And multi-column gets or sets a value indicating whether the list box supports multiple columns. Then selection mode. This property has four values. The first one is none, the second one is 1, third one is multi-simple, fourth one is multi-extended. Finally, sorted. Gets or sets a value indicating whether the items in the list box are sorted alphabetically. Then we see about methods. First one is begin method. Update. It is used to prevent the control from drawing until the end update method is called, while items are added to the list box one at a time. Second one is end update. It resumes drawing of the list box after it was turned off by the begin update control. Then clear selected. Unselect all items in the list box. Then get selected. It returns a value indicating whether the specified item is selected. Then set selected. Selects or clears the selection for the specified item in a list box. On selected index changed. It is rises the selected index changed event. Then finally on selected value changed. It rises the selected value changed event. The next one is events thrown by the list box. First one is click. It occurs when a list box is selected. The second one is selected index changed. It occurs when the selected index property of a list box is changed. Here see one example. This example contains two labels, one list box control and one button control. In the following example, let us add a list box at design time and add items on it at runtime. Steps to create modules. Drag and drop two labels, a button and a list box control on the form. Set the text property of the first label to provide the caption. Choose your favorite destination for higher studies. Set the text property of the second label to provide the caption destination. The text on this label will change at runtime when the user select an item on the list. Click the list box and the button control to add the following codes. When the above code is executed and run using start button, the following output window will display. Whenever we select the destination from the list box, the second label changes. Finally, clicking the select button, it displays a message box. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoy this session. Thank you.